Students, in this video, I am going to discuss two methods, uh, two numerical methods for optimization. One is Fibonacci method and another one is the golden section method. And these methods are basically interrelated. That's why I want to discuss these two in a single video. Okay, so Fibonacci method. This method is first I'm discussing this Fibonacci method. Okay, this is the fifth method. So this method is an elimination technique. Basic necessity is that function must be unimodal and it makes use of Fibonacci numbers. What is the Fibonacci numbers? Fibonacci numbers is basically a sequence of the form fn, and this is nothing but 1. So starting number is 1 denoted by f naught, second number is 1 denoted by f1 is equal to 1, and the third number is basically the cumulative sum of these two. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Next number is f, so this is f naught, f1, f2, this will be f3. F3 is basically the sum of these two numbers, initial second previous two numbers, so take their sum 3. This is f3. Then this will be f4. F4 is what? The sum of these two numbers. What? 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, so this is f4. Next number is f5. F5 is basically the sum of these two numbers 8. So जो भी इससे पहले के दो नंबर है उन सबका सम लिखते चले जाएं. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 8 plus 13 is 21. 13 plus 21 is 34. 21 plus 34 is 55, and so on. So the general formula is that f naught is 1, that means this number, f1 is 1, that means this number, and next numbers are basically the cumulative sum. So fn is f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2, where n is greater than equal to 2. So this is the Fibonacci number. Okay, so this method is basically based on the Fibonacci numbers. Total number of experiments can be predicted initially. Okay, so suppose this is the problem, minimum of f of x such that x is in between a to b. Okay, so this is our function, unimodal function a and b. This is the initial interval. Our target is to find out x star here. Okay, so here suppose initially the interval is I naught a b and the length of this interval will be b minus a. Step number 1. Given the initial interval of uncertainty I naught ab, and let the number of experiments be n number of experiments which is to be calculated. Step number 2. To determine x1 and x2, these points, because in this method again we insert two points initially. One is x1, another one is x2. Now they may be in either here, or one point is in the left hand side of x star, another one is x2 star. They may be anywhere. Okay, so to determine x1 and x2, define L2 star. L2 star. What is L2 star? Define L2 star is f of n minus 2, this number, divided by fn. This ratio is multiplied by L naught. Okay, so we have defined this. What is the meaning of L2 star? So initially we have AB, then two numbers are inserted x and x2 such that the distance of x1 from A is L2 star. Similarly, the distance of x2 from B is again L2 star. So they are equally spaced actually from the end points, and this distance is L2 star. So initially this is L2 star. Okay, तो ये दोनों पॉइंट्स ऐसे इंसर्ट किए गए हैं कि ये दोनों एंड पॉइंट से ए की डिस्टेंस पे हैं, यहाँ से भी और यहाँ से भी. ओके, व्हाट इज x1 देन? a प्लस दिस L2 स्टार. व्हाट इज L2 स्टार? is this value, so substitute it here. So a plus f of n minus 2 by fn L naught. Okay, similarly what is x2? x2 will be nothing but b minus of L2 star. L2 star is this, so substituted the value b minus f of n minus 2 by fn L naught. Okay, so b minus fn by fn. What is L naught here? L naught is basically the b minus a, so substitute it here, b minus a. So when you combine this b and b, so we get 1 minus f of n minus 2 by fn b plus this a into this. So fn minus 2 by fn a. Okay. Now when you simplify this, we will have fn minus f of n minus 2 divided by fn b plus this is f of n minus 2. But according to this formula, f of n minus 2 is fn minus f of n minus 1. So here this is replaced by fn minus f of n minus 1 by fn a. Okay. Now here fn minus f of n minus 2, again using this formula, fn minus f of n minus 2. So when you take this quantity in the left hand side, so we get this. So this will be f of n minus 1 by fn b plus, here when you divide fn by fn, we get 1. 1 into a will be a minus fn minus 1 by fn a. When you combine these two, so we get a plus f of n minus 1 by fn b minus a, b minus, but b minus a is what? L naught. So just replace this by L naught. So x2 is a plus f of n minus 1 by fn L naught. Okay, when you see these two, x1 is this quantity, x2 is this quantity, then what is the difference between the a, L naught, L naught, fn minus 2, here is f of n minus 2 by fn, here is f of n minus 1 divided by fn. So difference is that here n minus 2, n minus 1. This is the only difference. Okay. Okay. Now here, so here we have two cases because we have inserted x1 and x2 here. So that's why a, b, x1, x2, a, b, x1, x2. Okay. Now we have two cases. Either we have this type of curve or we have this type of curve. So here is x star. Okay. So, and this distance is L2 star. This distance is also L2 star. Similarly here, this distance is L2 star and this distance is also L2 star. Okay. Now define. So here we have two cases. First find out, here we have evaluated x1 and x2. So now find f of x1 and f of x2. So we have two cases, case 1, case 2. Case 1 means this case, case 2 means this case. Okay. So now case 1, when f of x1 is greater than f of x2, f of x1 is greater than f of x, that means this type of structure, then obviously you can eliminate this interval. So the next interval will be x1 to b. So x1 to b. If you are taking this case, so this value is higher than this value, so you can eliminate this part and hence the next interval will be a to x2. So a to x2. Okay. So step number 3, L2. What is L2? L2 is basically after deleting this part, what will be the length? This length is denoted by L2. Similarly here, if you delete this part, then this distance is basically a to x2 is the distance L2. So L2 would be either x1b or a to x2. So L2 will be what? L naught. If suppose we are taking this case, then what will be the L2? L2 will be what? The a to b distance, which is denoted by L naught, minus this distance L2 star. Okay. So this L2 is exactly same as this distance. Okay. So दोनों distance L2 same ही होंगी. So L2 is this. L0 minus what is L2 star? L2 star is from here. L2 star is fn minus 2 by fn L0. Okay. So here we have replaced this value by this. Now take L0 common. So 1 minus f of n minus 2 by fn L0. But what is this? This can be written as fn minus f of n minus 2. इसको मैं यहाँ लिखूंगा तो fn minus f of n minus 2 आएगा. What is that? fn minus f of n minus, इसको मैं इधर ले जाऊंगा तो वो हो जाएगा टोटल f of n minus 1 के बराबर. So that's why we can replace this is f of n minus 1, because this can be written as actually fn minus f of n minus 2 by fn L0. But this quantity is nothing but f of n minus 1 divided by fn L0. Okay. So this is so. Now step number 4. नाउ टू इवेलुएट x3, यानी कि अगर हमने ये केस लिया है या ये लिया है तो अब नेक्स्ट कहाँ रखना है पॉइंट, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट क्या इंसर्ट किया जाए, x1 x2 और x3, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज x3। तो x3 हमारे पास जो है, अब उसके लिए देर आर टू केसेस, ओके। सो नाउ वी हैव एक्चुअली द टू केसेस वेयर वी कैन इंसर्ट द पॉइंट। Okay, so how to insert this, let's see. Suppose you are taking this case, then after deleting this part we have interval x1 to b, so we have taken x1 to b, okay। now since we have eliminated left hand part, हमने left वाला part delete किया है, so x3 will be inserted in the right hand side, right hand part, okay। so x3 is inserted here, so I am showing you both these cases here. In this case x1 to b, this is x2, so x3 will be, since here this is left hand side को delete किया गया है, so point is inserted in the right hand side, so here x3, and here x2 is already there, so this point is x2, okay। this is case 1. But if suppose you are taking this part, then here interval will be a to x2, and here deletion is done in the right hand side, so next point will be inserted in the left hand side here, so here will be inserted x3 and x2, x1 as it is, so this will be x1, okay, x1 as it is, x2 as it is, and next point will be inserted in the left hand side, यानी जिधर का point delete होगा next point उसके opposite side में insert किया जाएगा, okay, end की तरफ, और वो भी okay। तो x3 will be here, and this distance is now L3 star from here to here, this distance is L3 star, this distance is also L3 star. Similarly here this is L3 star, from here to here this is L3 star, okay। so point x3 star is, so what is L3, so x3 will be what, L3 star, this distance will be calculated with the help of this f of n minus 3 by fn L naught. So if you remember previously L2 star, here is 2, so here is 2, if here is 3 then here will be 3, okay। so that's why L3 star is f of n minus 3 by fn L naught, अगर यहाँ 3 है तो यहाँ भी 3 होगा, वहाँ 2 था तो यहाँ पे भी 2 था, okay। so locate x3, once you have evaluated L3 star, so what will be the, for example in this case what will be the x3 will be evaluated with the accordingly, for example here you can easily find out x3 will be b minus L3 star. Similarly here x3 will be what, x3 will be a plus L3 star, okay। so you can easily evaluate in such a way that the current two experiments are L3 star distance apart from the both the ends, this case L3 star distance apart from the endpoints, hence L3 will be what, in for example first case x3 is inserted here, so this will be L3, the remaining distance, this will be L3. Similarly here if x3 is inserted here, so L3 will be this distance from here to here, तो बची हुई distance L3 होगी, यहाँ होगी या यहाँ होगी, okay। so L3 will be what, and we know that what is the total distance, this was the L2 from here to here, L2, this distance, this came from the previous experiment, so as this L2 is the total distance, so L2 minus L3 star is nothing but L3. Similarly here this is L2 minus this L3 star, this is L3, so L3 is what, L2 minus L3 star, okay। so L2 minus what is L3 star, this fn minus 3 by fn L naught, so L2 minus, now multiply and divide this sorry, L2 minus f of n minus 3 divided by fn. What is L naught? L naught, if you will see here, this L naught from here, L2 is equal to f of n minus 1 by fn L naught. Okay, so just substitute this value L naught. This L naught is replaced from here. L naught is nothing but ये fn इधर चला जाएगा और इससे डिवाइड हो जाएगा. So fn by f of n minus 1 L2. So L naught is evaluated from here. Okay, so inserted here. So fn is cancelled out with fn. So we get L2 minus f of n minus 3 divided by f of n minus 1 into L2. Okay, so now when you take L2 common, so we get f of n minus 1 minus f of n minus 3 by f of n minus 1 L2. Fine, here we have n minus 3. So we know this formula, f of n is equals to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2. If you replace n by n minus 1 in entire equation, then we get f of n minus 1 is equals to f of n minus 2 plus f of n minus 3. So from here f of n minus 1 minus f of n minus 3 will be f of n minus 2. So you can replace this quantity by f of n minus 2 divided by f of n minus 1 L2. Okay, fine. Now here again L2 is replaced. L2 will be what? F of n minus 1 by fn L naught. So when you replace L2 by this quantity, then n minus f of n minus 1 will be cancelled out with f of n minus 1. So we get f of n minus 2 divided by fn and L naught. Okay, so we get this quantity. So for obtaining the jth experiment, so in general this is L2, then L3, and so we have L2 star, then L3 star. So we have actually two formulae. One is Lj and then Lj star. So Lj star is according to this will be Lj. If j रख दिया जाए तो यहाँ पे भी j हो जाएगा. So f of n minus j by fn L naught in general, and Lj will be according to this. अगर यहाँ j होगा तो क्या होगा? Here अगर यहाँ j होगा तो यहाँ पर भी j होगा. f of n minus j, सॉरी, अगर j यहाँ होगा तो यहाँ 3 है तो यहाँ 2 है, यहाँ j होगा तो यहाँ j minus 1. So f of n minus j minus 1 by fn L naught. So this is the general formula, okay, for Lj, and this is the general formula for Lj star. Okay, now from here Lj by L naught is equal to this quantity f of n minus j minus 1 by fn. अब यहाँ j की वैल्यू अगर मैं n रख दूँ तो क्या होगा? fn ln by L naught is equals to, j की जगह n रखा तो n is cancel out with n, so we get f1. So f1 by fn. Okay, what is f1? f1 is 1 according to this f1 is 1, so that's why 1 upon f of n minus 1. So ln by L naught, basically what this is the reduction ratio. Reduction ratio is 1 by f of n. Okay, so here this, the reduction ratio or the measure of efficiency is basically L naught by L naught is 1 by fn. Okay, so now example. So example number 1. Find the minimum value of fx is equals to x square plus 2x within the interval minus 3 to 4 using the Fibonacci method. Obtain the value, optimal value within 5% of the exact value. Okay, so we know that the what is the meaning of this is that ln by 2 is less than equal to L naught into 5%. 5% means 5 by 100. ये हमने पहले क्वेश्चनों में भी किया है. L naught by 2 because this is the total here is, so इसका आधा कर देते हैं, half interval. So this is ln by 2. This should be less than equal to the initial interval जो भी था उसका 5%. Okay, so ln by 2 L naught is less than equal to 5 by 100. Fine. So ln is what? length of the final interval of uncertainty divided by 2 into L naught. L naught is the length of the initial interval of the uncertainty is less than equal to 5 by 100. So ln by 2 is less than equal to क्या आएगा यहाँ से 1 by 20 L naught. So ln is less than equal to 1 by 10 L naught. So ln by L naught is less than equal to 1 by 10. Okay. So efficiency जो ये है, what is ln by L naught? ln by L naught is 1 by fn. So 1 by fn is less than equal to 1 by 10. That's why fn is greater than equal to 10. But we know that f naught is 1, f1 is 1, f2 is their sum is 2, f3 is sum of these two number 3, f4 is sum of these numbers 5, f5 is sum of these number 8. So up to f6 will be 8 plus 13. So fn is greater than equal to 10. So what will be the minimum n? 6, because f6 is 13. However, f5 is 8. So 8 will not set 8 is not greater than equal to 10. But 13 is greater than 10. So minimum 6 experiment आपको करने पड़ेंगे. So that f6 is greater, which is equal to 13 here. 13 is greater than 10. Okay. So this will satisfy this property and hence n की वैल्यू जो है वो 6 होनी चाहिए minimum. So n should be greater than equal to 6. Okay. So now 6 एक्सपेरिमेंट ये आपको नंबर 6 इंसर्ट कराने पड़ेंगे. Okay. Step number 1. So initial interval is -3 to 4, n is 6 which is evaluated from here and L naught is 7. Now step number 2, to obtain x1 and x2. First insert this L2 star. L2 star is f of n minus 2 by fn L naught. Okay, what is n? n is 6. So 6 रखेंगे यहाँ तो क्या हो जाएगा f4 divided by f6 L naught. What is f4? f4 is 5. What is f6? f6 is 13. So 5 by 13 into 7, 2.6923. Okay. So what is x1? Then x1 will be according to this graph. x1 is this point, x2 is this point. So x1 is minus 3 plus this L2 star. So x1 is minus 3 plus this L2 star. So we get minus 0.3077. What is x2? x2 is 4 minus L2 star. So 4 minus L2 star, so 1.3077. Now we evaluate the functional value at this point. F of x1 is minus 0.527. That's why this is in the negative direction. Negative direction mein hai, because here we have minus sign. F of x2 is 4.3255, which is positive value, so in upper side. Okay. So now you can see this is higher than this value and hence we can eliminate this part. ये बड़ा है, ये छोटा होगा, है ना, तो इसको हम eliminate कर देंगे. When you eliminate this, so ultimately we get remaining interval minus 3 to x2. Okay, so discard x2 4 and obtain the new interval from minus 3 to x2. Minus 3 to 1.3077. This is nothing but x2. Okay. Okay. This is, इसको हटा दो. This is x2, which is nothing but minus 3 to x2. Fine. Okay. Now what is L2? L2, after deleting this will be the L2. L2 will be what? L0 minus L2 star. So L0 minus L2 star. L0 is 7 minus L2 star. We have evaluated 2 point this. So ultimately this remaining distance, this, which is L2, is 4.3077. Fine. Now to obtain the next point, since right hand part is discarded here, so hence x3 is inserted in the left hand side here. So L3, x3 will be, to find x3 we need first L3 star, the distance. कितनी distance पे हम करेंगे? Okay. So here is this. So here this is minus 3. Here is x2 and x3 is inserted here. So here is x3 inserted and then in the right hand side of x3 we have x1 and this distance is L3 star from here to here. Okay, so what is L3 star? L3 star is evaluated with the help of the formula this L3 star is Fn minus 3 divided by Fn L naught. Okay, so this F, but N is what? 6. So 6 minus 3 will be F3 by F6. What is F3? F3 is 3 by F6 13. So 3 by 13 into 7 is 1.6154. Okay, so now what is X3? X3 will be minus 3 plus this distance 1.6154. Okay, so after simplification X3 will be minus 1.3846. Now evaluate the functional value f of x3, which is negative again. So in the negative side we have this value, and f of x1, x1 is, if you will see, x1 is also in the negative side, minus 0.5207. So minus 0.5207, and here is f of x3, which is this minus 0.852. So this value is higher than this value. So that's why again right hand side part is discarded. Okay, because this condition holds. So this is discarded here, and the next interval will be minus 3 to x1. Okay, so the here what will be the L3? L3 कितना distance होगा इसका total? L3 will be, this is L3. This is L3 from here to here. This is L3. So L3 will be this L2 minus this distance. So L2 minus L3 star. ये L2 है total यहाँ से यहाँ तक. So L2, which we have already evaluated, L2 is evaluated here. Yes, L2 is this distance 4.3077. So 4.3077 minus L3 star. So L3 star is 1.6154. So L3 will be 2.6923. So the distance from here to here is 2.6923, and the interval is minus 3 to x1. What is x1? Minus 0.3077. Okay, now we will find x3. To find x4, sorry, next point x4, first you have to find out L4 star. Okay, L4 star आपको पहले निकालना पड़ेगा. What is this? Fn minus 4 by F L naught. Put n is equal to 6. So we get F2 by F6 into 7. What is F2? F2 is 2. So 2. F2 is 2 by 13 into 7. ये 13 है, ये 2 है, into 7. So we get 1.0769. Okay, once you have evaluated L4 star, then since here this interval is inserted, discarded here, तो x4 किधर होगा? Right hand side में, यहाँ, here. So x4 is here, x3, this point is here, then x1 is here. Okay, आपको तो ये डिस्कार्ड क्योंकि राइट की तरफ हुआ है, तो x4 यहाँ इंसर्ट होगा इस जगह. सो x4 फिर x3 फिर x1. ओके, यहाँ. सो दिस डिस्टेंस इज बेसिकली व्हाट? L4 स्टार from here to here. So L4 star is this distance. So L4 star is this. So now x4 will be what? Minus 3 plus this L4 star. So minus 3 plus L4 star. So minus 1.9231. Evaluated the functional value. F at x4 is equals to minus 0.1479. Okay. So when you compare the functional values at these 2 points, here the functional value is this minus 0.1479. Here the functional value is minus 0.8521. So this is lower than this value. So now the right hand part is discarded. Okay, because this condition holds. So the next interval will be minus x4 to this x1. Okay. So the next interval is minus 1.92 this point to this point. Okay, and then find L4. L4 will be the remaining distance. This is the L4 from here to here. This is L4. So L4 will be what? This total distance is L3. L3 minus L4 star. So L3 is 2.6923. We have already evaluated L3. This minus L4 star, which is this. So ultimately their distance will be L4 is 1.6154. Okay. Now find L5 star. L5 star is Fn minus 5 divided by Fn 6 L naught. What is n? N is 6. So ultimately F1 divided by F6. F1 is 1. F6 is 13 into L naught, which is 7. So 0.5385. Okay. So now here, since the right hand side is discarded, so now the next point x5 is inserted in the right hand side. तो वो यहाँ insert होगा. Okay. So we have inserted here x5. Here we have x3. Here we have x4. And this point is x1. Okay. तो x5 यहाँ insert होगा इस जगह. तो ये हमने कर दिया insert. And this distance is basically L5 star. And this distance is L5. This distance from here to here. This distance is L5. And this distance is L5 star. So x5 will be what? This minus L5 star. So we get minus 0.8462. ठीक. Now evaluate the functional value at this. F of x5, which is minus 0.97634556. Okay. So this value is lesser than the value of the function at point x3. That means this condition is satisfied. F of x5 is less than f of x3. So hence we can again discard the right hand point. So this is discarded. So the next point x6 जो है वो यहाँ insert होगा इस जगह. Okay. So here in the next page here x6 is inserted here. This is x5, this is x3, this is x1. Okay. X6. So and this distance is basically what? This distance is L6 star now. And this is L6. So L6 star is basically Fn minus 6 by Fn L naught. So put n is 6. So F0 is 1. F6 will be 13 and L naught is 7. So 0.5385. Okay. Then what will be x6? X6 will be x1 minus this distance. So x6 minus L6 star. Okay. So x6 will be this. This will be x1. Sorry. X1 minus. This will be x1 minus L6 star. Okay. So we get minus 0.8461. After solving this is the value. Evaluate the functional value, which is negative value here. Negative value, and we have seen that this value is higher than this value. This is lower value, this is higher value. So that's why this is discarded here, because we have f of x6 is higher than f of x5. So this is discarded here. So the next interval will be x3 to x6. Take the midpoint of this interval, which is the solution. Okay. So discard x6 to x1. So new interval will be this, and here the optimum solution will be the midpoint of this interval. Take the midpoint of this interval. So which will be the solution. Okay. This is the next example. So I am not doing this. I am providing you the notes. You can do yourself. Okay. So this is the function in the form of branches now, and then same procedure is followed here. So I will provide you the notes. You can see the solution yourself. Okay. Now here is the next method. Next method is golden section method. golden section method. Golden section method. What is the golden section method? Procedure is as it is same as we have developed in Fibonacci method, as it is same. The difference is that here we will use only golden ratio. What is the golden ratio? Denoted by gamma. So gamma is basically 1.618. So how we can define this? So let's see. This is from Fibonacci method. Fn is f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2. When you divide this by fn minus 1, so we get fn by fn minus 1 is equal to 1 plus f of n minus 2 by f of n minus 1. This is equation number 1. Now taking the limit n tending to infinite, both sides, so you will see that gamma is defined as limit of n tending to infinite fn by f of n minus 1, or लिमिट n टेंडिंग टू इनफाइनाइट f of n minus 1 by f of n minus 2. यानी कि ऊपर बड़ा नंबर है fn, नीचे छोटा नंबर है, एक नंबर छोटा. Similarly here f of n minus 1, so here should be f of n minus 2, which is equal to f of n minus j अगर होगा in general, so here we have n minus j plus 1. Okay, so this is the definition. So if you apply the limit here, then what will be here? We have gamma here. 1 plus 1 plus, here should be f of this, here is n minus 1 by n minus 2, here is n minus 2, so they are opposite to each other, or they are the reverse of these to each other, so the value of this will be 1 upon gamma. So when you simplify this, so we get gamma square minus gamma minus 1 is equal to 0, a quadratic equation. Roots are gamma is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 5 by 2. Okay, so taking positive value, so gamma will be 1.615. This is basically the golden ratio. Now gamma is equal to 0.618 is known as the conjugate golden ratio. This is the conjugate golden ratio. Okay, okay. Now iterative procedure is as it is same as we have used in, but let's see. So suppose the given initial interval of uncertainty is I naught AB and L naught is B minus A. This is the interval, this is the length. Okay, so here we have inserted 2 points x1 and x2, which are L2 apart from the end points. So L2 star is this, L2 star is this. Now from Fibonacci method, L2 star is nothing but f of n minus 2 by fn L naught. Now taking n tending to infinite here, because we are using golden ratio, so limit n tending to infinite. Now here we are, golden ratio is defined by the two consecutive numbers, but here we have these numbers fn minus 2 and fn, they are not consecutive, and hence what we will do, we just multiply and divide by f of n minus 1, f of n minus, so that we have consecutive numbers. So now what will be this? According to this definition, the value of this limit will be 1 by gamma. Similarly here, this is also 1 by gamma, so 1 by gamma square into L naught. Okay, once you evaluated L2 star, you can easily find out x1. X1 will be A plus L2 star and x2 will be B minus L2 star. Okay, so now here we have two cases. Either we have this type of curve or this type of curve. If we have received this type of curve, then f of x1 is less than f of x2 star, and in that case we will discard the right hand side interval. Now this distance is L2 star and the remaining distance is L2. Now in the second case, here f of x1 is greater than f of x2 and we will discard the left hand side interval, and this is basically what? L2 star from here to here, and the remaining distance is L2. So this distance from here to here is L2. Okay, so L2 will be what? L2 will be L naught minus L2 star. L naught minus L2 star is according to this L naught by gamma square. When you take L naught common, so L naught 1 minus 1 upon gamma square. But according to this gamma square, 1 minus, okay, so here will be what? L naught, so here is this L naught minus L2 star. This is basically L2. So L naught minus L2 star is this 1 upon this L naught by gamma square. So you can take L naught common, so 1 by gamma square. So L naught, this will be gamma square minus 1 by gamma square. But according to this, gamma square minus 1 will be gamma. So you can replace this quantity by gamma. So this will be L naught gamma upon gamma square. So this is cancel out. So ultimately L naught by gamma. Okay. So L2 is L naught by gamma. Fine. So new interval is either from here A to X2, this, or X1 to B. Now find L3 star. L3 star will be limit n tending to infinite f of n minus 3 by fn L naught. This is from the Fibonacci method. Now limit taking limit n tending to infinite here. Hence again, because these are two not consecutive numbers, तो क्या करेंगे, n minus 3 के लिए n minus 2 आना चाहिए नीचे. So n minus 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, n minus 2 से डिवाइड किया, फिर n minus 2 है तो इसके नीचे n minus 1 आना चाहिए. सो अल्टीमेटली मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड किया f of n minus 1 से. दिस विल बी 1 by gamma, 1 by gamma, 1 by gamma, so 1 by gamma cube L naught. ओके ठीक. सो L naught, sorry. Okay. So this is L naught. Okay, so this will be 1 by gamma cube L naught. Okay, now find x3. x3 अब अगर यहाँ से लिया है तो x3 यहाँ इंसर्ट होगा. सो वी हैव इंसर्टेड हियर x3. ओके, एंड दिस इज द डिस्टेंस L3 स्टार. अगर आपने ये इसको चूज किया है सो x3 इधर होगा लेफ्ट साइड में यहाँ. सो x3 x2 L3 स्टार इज दिस. So what is L3 star? We have already evaluated. Then x3 will be, if you are selecting this a to x2, x3 will be a plus, this x3 will be a plus L3 star. And if you have selected this part, that means this interval, then x3 will be b minus L3 star. So we have taken both these cases. Okay, this is from this interval, and here this is from this interval. Okay, so L3 will be the remaining distance. L3, this distance is L2 minus L3 star. So L2 is what? L2 we have already evaluated. L2, so L2 is this distance. This distance is L2 from here to here. Okay, so L2 is basically L naught by gamma. We have already evaluated somewhere. L2, yeah, this L2 is this. L2 is L naught by gamma. So L naught by gamma minus L3 star. L3 star is L naught by gamma cube. So L naught by gamma cube. After simplification we get L naught by gamma square. So the general formula is Lj star is 1 by gamma j L naught, and Lj will be 1 by gamma j minus 1 L naught. Okay, so this should be less than epsilon given tolerance level. Okay, so here, and we have graphically shown the relationship. This distance is Lj star, this distance is also Lj star, and the remaining distance will be Lj, and this distance is Lj minus 1 from here to here. This is the Lj minus 1 from the previous experiment, and this is the example. Example is this: minimum of this function 4x cube plus x square minus 7x plus 14 within the interval 0 to 1 using golden section method. Stopping tolerance is epsilon is 0.15. Okay, so we will do this. So what is, we will use this as here. So Lj should be this value 1 upon gamma j minus 1 L naught. This should be less than epsilon. Okay, so whenever the length is less than epsilon, we will stop it. Okay, let's see. So initially interval is 0 to 1, length is 1 minus 0 is 1. So now insert 2 points here, x1 and x2. So to find x1 and x2, we need L2 star. L2 star is 1 by gamma square L naught, which is nothing but 0.31819, because gamma is 1.618 whole square, L naught is 1, so this will be the L2 star. So x1 will be 0 plus L2 star, so this value, and x2 will be 1 minus L2 star, so 0.6181. Now find out the functional value. So f of x1 is 11.6953, f of x2 is 10.9999. Now when you compare these, so f of x1 is greater than f of x2. So that's why f of x1 is higher than f of x2. So you have to discard the left hand part interval. So ultimately the new interval will be x1 to 1. So x1 to 1. What is x1? This 0.3819 to 1. And L2, this remaining length, this is basically the L2 star from here to here, and the remaining length is L2 from here to here. So L2 will be by the formula 1 by gamma L naught. Okay, so now find out L3 star. L3 star will be 1 by gamma 3 L naught. L2 तो यहाँ पे स्क्वायर, यहाँ 3 है तो यहाँ क्यूब हो गया है. ओके, सो दिस विल बी 0.2361. ओके, सो क्योंकि हमने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का डिस्कार्ड किया था तो x3 कहाँ होगा इंसर्ट? राइट में. सो x3 इज इंसर्टेड हियर and this distance is L3 star. So L3 star is this. So x3 will be what? 1 minus L3 star. So 1 minus L3 star. So 0.7639. Okay. So f of x3 will be 11.0192. और ये जो आएगा सॉल्व करने के बाद इसकी जो वैल्यू आएगी वो आप वैल्यू चेक करेंगे तो वो वैल्यू होगी ग्रेटर देन एप्सिलॉन, ग्रेटर देन एप्सिलॉन. तो इसलिए हमें नेक्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट में जाना पड़ेगा. ठीक. सो हियर द न्यू इंटरवल इज, क्योंकि ये वैल्यू f of x3 is 11 point this. What is f of x2? f of x2 is 10 point something. So when you compare, so you will see this value is higher. So this value is higher, hence discard the right hand part interval. So next interval will be x1 to x3, x1 to x3. Okay, that means this value. Now L3 will be according to 1 by gamma square L naught. Again when you compare this with epsilon, so this will be greater than epsilon. So you have to insert a next point. So since here is discarded in the right hand side, so the point will be inserted here. So next is x1, x4, x2 and x3. Okay. Okay. Now here this distance is basically L4 star. This is L3 star. This will be L4 star from here to here. So now find out L4 star. L4 is 1 by gamma 4 L naught. So 0.1459. So x4 will be this x1 plus L4 star, which is 0.5279. Now find the functional value 11.1721. So here the value is 11.1721. And at x2 the value is this. So this value is higher than this value, hence this interval is discarded. इसको delete कर दिया गया. So जब delete कर दिया गया तो next interval will be x4 to x3. So x4 to x3 is the next interval and L4 will be 1 by gamma cube L naught. Okay, तो आप देख सकते हैं L2 में 1 by gamma, L3 में 1 by gamma square, L4 में 1 by gamma cube. This value is this 0.2360. which is not less than epsilon. This value is greater than epsilon. Hence, we have to insert the next point x5. उसके लिए हमें चाहिए L5 star. So L5 star is 1 by gamma 5 L naught, which is this value 0.0902. Okay. Then find out x5. x5 will be, अब क्योंकि ये राइट की लेफ्ट में डिस्कार्ड हुआ तो x5 इधर आएगा, यहाँ आएगा. So x5 हमने यहाँ इंसर्ट कराया. x5 will be x3 minus this distance. This distance is what? L5 star. This is L5 star from here to here. Okay. So L5 star. So, तो पॉइंट निकाला तो ये आ गया x5 0.6737. फंक्शनल वैल्यू आई 10.9611. Okay, when you compare the functional value of f of x2 and f of x5, so you will see that this value is higher than this value. So this interval is discarded. डिस्कार्ड किया तो नेक्स्ट इंटरवल आया x2 to x3. ओके, और अगर इसकी लेंथ निकालेंगे L5, सो 1 by gamma 4 L naught, which is 0.1458, and this value is less than epsilon. So stop it here and the midpoint of this will be the solution. Okay, तो इसका जो midpoint आएगा वो solution होगा. Okay, so this is the way to apply the golden section method. Okay, so the measure of efficiency is basically हमने क्या सीखा इसमें कि ln by L नॉट. अब अगर आप इन मेथड की कंपैरिजन करेंगे तो हमने पढ़ा था एग्जॉस्टिव सर्च, डाइकोटोमस सर्च, इंटरवल हाल्विंग, फिबोनाची मेथड एंड गोल्डन सेक्शन मेथड. इनिशियल इंटरवल्स तो आई नॉट आई नॉट आई नॉट आई नॉट. ओके, फाइंड द इंटरवल ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटी, इसमें जो फॉर्मूला है वो ये था एग्जॉस्टिव सर्च में. डाइकोटोमस सर्च में हमने ये मेथड पढ़ा था. इंटरवल हाल्विंग में ये था. फिबोनाची मेथड में ये था. एंड गोल्डन सेक्शन में अभी जो आज हमने पढ़ा है ये. ओके, एंड इफ रिडक्शन रेशो हम देखेंगे एल नॉट, रिडक्शन रेशो एल एन बाय एल नॉट, तो यहाँ हो जाएगा 2/n+1. यहाँ से आएगा अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, वी हैव नॉट कंसिडर्ड दिस 1/this पार्ट, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. ओके, यहाँ से आएगा 1/2^n-1/2. यहाँ से आएगा 1/fn. यहाँ से आएगा 1/γ^n-1, विच इज़ नथिंग बट 0.6818^n-1. ओके, सो बेस्ड ऑन दिस वी कैन फाइंड आउट द इंटरवल ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटी. अगर हमें इंटरवल ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटी पता हो सो वी कैन अप्लाई द मेथड एंड वी कैन फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट बेस्ड ऑन दिस. फाइन. सो यहाँ पर एक एग्जाम्पल लिया हुआ है. इंटरवल ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटी 10% ली, तो कितने एक्सपेरिमेंट हमें करने पड़ेंगे, जबकि इंटरवल था हमारा 0 to 1. तो अगर हम एग्जॉस्टिव सर्च मेथड लगाते हैं एंड वी विल यूज़ दिस फॉर्मूला, सो नंबर ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट 9 होंगे. डाइकोटोमस सर्च में 4 एक्सपेरिमेंट होंगे. इंटरवल हाल्विंग में 5 एक्सपेरिमेंट होंगे. फिबोनाची में 5 एंड गोल्डन सेक्शन में भी 5. ओके, हमने क्या लिया 10% ऑफ एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू. इंटरवल है 0 to 1. ठीक, इसी तरह अगर 5% लेंगे यहाँ पर 5%, तो जो एक्सपेरिमेंट बैठेंगे वो 19, 6, 7, 7, 6 ये एक्सपेरिमेंट्स बैठेंगे. तो इससे हमें पता लगता है यहाँ इस केस में ये अच्छा रिजल्ट दे रहा है, केवल 4 एक्सपेरिमेंट करने पड़ेंगे डाइकोटोमस सर्च. सिमिलरली यहाँ डाइकोटोमस सर्च 6 ही एक्सपेरिमेंट करेगा और यहाँ ये करेगा गोल्डन मेथड भी 6 ही एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहा है. सो बोथ विल प्रोवाइड यू द गुड रिजल्ट्स. ओके, सो दिस इज द एनालिसिस. ओके, थैंक यू.